What do we have? Officially, it's a 2020 Panini Prizm Football Mega Box with a neon green. Let's just make sure that this is the neon green. Yep, neon green box. All right. So there's 10 packs, 4 cards in every pack. All right, let's see. So there were these ones. And then the rest of it, this pack was sideways like that. It never means anything. I like to pretend that it means that the mystical card of amazingness is in it. So what I'm going to do, we'll open it last, just for giggles. Rarely does that ever work. For whatever reason, I like to believe that it's sideways for a reason. We got a Gandy Golden Rookie. Jerry Jeudy rookie. All right, we're on a rookie good start here. Yeah. I'm not trying to get your hopes up. I have to deliver now, though. DK Metcalf hype. And a James Morgan rookie. Ooh. Got an Anthony McFarland silver rookie. Anthony Jennings rookie. Preston Williams neon green. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. One Ottawa relic. Okay, so one Ottawa box. And you got a Zach Bond. Prizm rookie auto. Raekwon Davis. Daniel Hunter, and how about a Jalen Hurts rookie? Good stuff right there. It's one of the top one of the top non-autograph rookies you could get of Hurts. Obviously, Prizm holds a special special place in people's hearts. So getting those quarterback rookies is always a good thing. Three cards in this pack. What? Well, let's see if there's 5 in that pack. Jake Fromm. You got your rookie. We got our auto, so we weren't missing the auto. Huh. Justin Jefferson, another good rookie. What the heck? Missing a card. What can I do? No kidding. All right, well, there we go. I feel that makes up. Joshua Jackson. How about a Stephon Diggs Stars the NFL relic? There. There you go. No problem at all. All right, that's another break in the books.